Kublai pi baro kinigilonggi kubor bam tagasngi. Menturang ba ka Meghalaya Conrad Sangma. Ulo ong hagasngi palay ba ka sorkar jala kadang tohkit ikijing shisha. Halor ka jingïakynad kablaja Rajapala. Kaba jingïadei ba ka jingïamynsaw mau be-aiñ. Ula pentip ru bahaduk menta ompat yo ya kanu kakai pot pat ba. Habakran shkilat pathai kubor menturang ba ulo ong. Balada don kinu ki kambam biang ni ki kambe anya ka kam jingïamynsaw mau ka sorkar kan shimi kilat jingïada ki badan kam. Long ru ba ka sorkar kala pelong ya bunteli ki jingïalang haki kerdan baper pan jingïaram ya ki nongkam tam ya ki tu ki baklam tip bha ya ka rukam apply ya ki license. Karkum ka jingïathu jong u haki benta jong ka Garo Hills bon ki pat ba kim tip ya ka rukam apply ya ki license jingïamynsaw mau namar ka jing'e jenggarukam trekam kabadan jingïadei bat kumbah nyopho teli kitna trekam ulaong. Tang katnat geology bat mining nreiru kitnat kum ka district council ki pulit ka pollution control board bat ki wei pat ki dan bentalang ha kani karukam ai jingïamynsaw. Kum ka nuksa ka jingyo ya ka pollution certificate ka don shibun ki jingdon kam ka ba pen ki babun ki dong apply. Ban pensuk igini ki jing'e menturang ba uloong ba ka sorkar kala jupelong ki program kerpang ha ka babaro kitna traikam kias no lang ha ka wei ka jaka ban ai jingirap ikinong kam ban pendap iki jingyat kam ai license kani ka rukam ai jingirap yabun kinong kam ban traikat kum ka an shapang ka jing pet ngor uloong ba ki office ka sorkar kidang beteng ban pet ngor ya ki kam jingïamynsaw mau bat lada yo ikinu ki jingut jingyo la shimador ki senjam da ka jingi trailang bar ki pulen. Ya gitu ki baklam don ki kot kisla ki badan kam ka jingïarap ban penbiang shwa ki jingyo jing penskam kat ba ompat sha ban tre. Menturang ba ula penkut da ka ba ong ba kane ka kampet ngor ba jingïarap ya ki nong kam kandang ya chakmat halor ka jingjia Rajapala ka tohkit kadang ya bat ka sorkar kan sapen bha bat penbena shu ondala penshisha ya ki jing shisha baro.
On that, and we're trying to find out about the facts of this. I don't have the report as of now because the report has not come to me yet. But again, we are very clear that if there are any such activities that are happening, we have, in fact, at many times, I don't know if you remember this or not, at many points we have had many levels of meetings to support and help our miners there so that they are able to get the licenses. Let me just give you a bit of history of what happens in Garo Hills. This problem takes place. Number one, to apply for these licenses, there are about 7-8 departments that are involved in this. Now, apart from PWD, apart from the mining geology department, the forest department, the district council, the pollution board, so on and so forth, almost 6-7 departments, as I said, are involved in this. Just to give an example to you, now for example, pollution board. There is no office of pollution board in Tura. So even just to get a pollution board certificate, people come to, they have to come to Shillong, and obviously a lot of people don't have that kind of bandwidth, no knowledge, or to come all the way here. So these challenges are there, and because of that, I have in the past had multiple short-term kind of programs where I have enabled miners to apply for this by bringing all the departments together in one place and do this. So that has helped the miners in the past, and I have seen that many of the miners were able to then get their licenses and move forward. So we've done this exercise in the past, and we had hoped that most of the issues would be resolved, and they were resolved also. So now there are, of course, as I said, we obviously our officers are working, but we also expect any kind of complaints that come to us, and based on the complaints we take action and we close the mines. Our police is very, very active in this, and we have in fact told them all the time. And then so wherever the reports come, wherever the information comes, we are closing the mines, and wherever the mines are not having the documents that they should, we are facilitating them and helping them to ensure that the paperwork is done. Obviously, in the meantime, not allowing them to mine. So this process is an ongoing process. Regarding this particular case, we are doing an inquiry into this, and we're finding out what are the details of it. So once we get the details, then I'll be able to explain more to you later.